So done.
Sir, I'm still doing it.
So what is being given to you here is the magnitude of the gravitational force. First of all, what is the magnitude of gravitational force is given to you? Let me explain you. You have to do Abdul Jabbar third question. So do this one fast. What is being given to you here? What is being given to you? The magnitude of the gravitational force between the Earth, okay, uh, and a mass 1 kg object. So it is asking that the gravitational force between the Earth and the mass object is being asked. Okay, got it?
Sir, I'll leave and join. I can't see the screen.
No, 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 don't join it. I'm just going to share it again one for you. Don't leave it. Okay.
Okay.
Just- Is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir, now it's visible.
So do this one. So should I help you now? Yes. Have you
Yes, sir.
calculated, Romaisa? So what is the force between the two distant object if they are placed two mass object if they are placed between the center between mean they are if they are placed at a distance of 1 meter whatever that it is. Let me explain here. Okay, so we this is there is an object here. Okay, just stop it. There is an object here, and this object is placed over the surface of the earth of mass 1 kg. Okay, and here the radius of earth is 6400 kilometer. Okay, and the mass of earth is 6 into 10 to the power 6 kilograms. So the force, what is law of gravitation states? Law of gravitation states that F is equals to G m1 m2 upon r square, where G is the mass of G is gravitational constant, m is the mass of first object, m is the mass of the second object, and the distance between them. So here we need to calculate the force. So we have the value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 or 11 minus 11. Okay, Newton meter square per kilogram square. Okay, got it? Into what is the mass of Earth? Mass of Earth is 6 into 10 to the power 6. The another object mass is 1 kg that is placed on the surface, and the radius is 6 uh 6,400 kilometers. So we can write it 6 point, or we can write it 6400 into 6400. Okay, but we have to convert because kilometer is not the unit of this one. We have of the distance, so we have to convert it into meters. So for that we have to multiply each of them by 1000, like 6400 into 1000, then it will be get converted into meters. So into 1000 means 10 to the power 3. So another 10 to the power 3 will come here. So you will take 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 3. 1 10 to the power 3 for this one, and 1 10 to the power 3 for another one. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So how you are going to calculate here? This one. Calculate this one, please. This is simple. How you can calculate here? So this is very simple. First of all, you have to cut. You have to take all the zeros here. Two zeros here. Two zeros here. Three here. Three here. So total zeros we are going to have is, and you in fact write it like this way: 6.400 into 10 to the power 3. In 6400 can be written as 6.400 into 10 to the power 3. So 1 10 to the power 3, you can write it 6.4 into 10 to the power 3. Then write it 6.4 into 10 to the power 3. And another 10 to the power 3 and another 10 to the power 3 we are going to have here 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 6 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, you understood?
Yes.
Into 1. This is the mass of the earth. Okay, 6 into 10 to the power 6. Now, what we are going to have here is that this total power we are going to have here is 10 raised to the power 3 plus 10 to the power 3 plus 10 to the power 3 plus 10 to the power 3. We are going to have 10 to the power 12. Got it? So 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. The power will be added 10 to the power 12. Got it? And here we have 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. So this 6 and minus 11 will get minus 5. So this power and this power will get cancelled out. Okay. And you will get this one as 6.67 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. So you can solve the power, total power. This power will also go into in the subtraction, or when it goes to numerator, it will get subtracted. So you total negative power is minus 22, and then minus 12. You add it, you will get 23, minus 23, and then 6 plus of 6. So you are going to have 10 to the power 18. Not 18, we are going to have 17. Okay. So 10 to the power 17. So you will write here 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 17 upon 6.4 into 6.4. Got it? Got it? And here is one other 6. So you know that this is approximately equals to 6. So they will cancel 6.4 here. It is 6.6. So approximately 1.1. The answer will comes here. And here this is 6.0 approximately, and this is 6.4. So it will be 9 point something will comes here. Okay. So when you multiply these two, you will get approximately 1.9. Sorry, it will be 0.9. You can divide it or you can check it. So 0.9 something you will get. When you multiply this one, you will get approximately the same value, 1. Okay. 0.9 multiplied by 1, you will get approximately 1. So 1 into 1 times 1 minus 17 will be the answer. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
This will be the force between when we have the two objects which is placed on the surface of the earth. Next. Just a minute. Next question. Do this question number. Do this question number 13. Do this question number 13. Do it fast. Oh, dear students, in the previous question, we have done a slightly mistake. And what was that mistake? Okay, that that was a mistake. And by mistaken, I have taken the mass of the Earth as 6.6 and 6 raised to the power 6, but it is 24. Okay, so that's why I'm just thinking again and again that how this mass, this value can be in negative, because the force, there is a force between these two. Okay, so how it can be negative? So actually, we can say here that this was taken mistakenly wrong. So let me explain you one more time this one. Okay, just you have to change the digits. Okay, just the power. Other things are same. 6.67 10 power minus 11, and the mass of the Earth we have taken 6 into 10 power 6, but it is 6 into 10 power 24. Okay, and one other mass is 1 kg, and the radius of Earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters. How 6 meters? There is 6,400 kilometer it is. Okay, so when you convert it into thousand, you will get 64000. Five zeros are here. So you have to place the decimal here. So you will get 6.4 into, okay, you will get this value. So this is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. So this is the F. Okay, got it? Got it? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you are going to do here is, this is the value. Now you solve the powers first. So this is the power, this is power. Okay, and you will get 12 here. The plus power is 24 minus 11. So the numerator power is total power of when you add these two. So you will get 3 and 1, 13, plus of 13. And here you will going to get, what you are going to get here is, uh, this is 6 and this is 6. Okay, so this will be 12. Total power is 12. So you know that you can write it like this way: 6.67 into 6 into 10 is to the power 13 upon 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 is to the power 12. Now this power, when goes upside, it will become, okay, it will become 10 is to the power 1, because 13 and it is in denominator, when it will goes in the numerator, so it will be subtracted. So we'll get 10 to the power 1, that means 10. Okay, so you will write here 6.67 into 6 upon 6.4 into 6.4. So when you cut it, you will get 1.2 here. And when you cut it, you will get 0.9 something. Okay, so when you multiply this one, so you will get 0.98 or something. Okay, 0.98 into 10. So you will get 9.8. When you multiply by 10, you will get 9.8. Got it? 9.8 Newton, which is the value of G. Got it? So please copy this one. And there's a mistake, so please cut that portion and please rewrite this one. Okay, the mistake of 10 to the power 6. I was just thinking that how power can be negative, so I just checked it. Mass if I have taken some values wrong. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Noted everyone. Avni, noted. Abdul Jabbar, done. Are you there, other students?
Sir, I'm noting.
Noted,
Me
please.
too.
Riaz, done.
No, sir.
Noted fast. So done.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
Done.
I'm writing.
Abdul Jabbar, why you late? So let's do the next question. Note it fast, please.
Answer.
Next question. Uh, Next question, we were having this question. And have you done this one? A stone, a stone is released, a ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 49 meter per second. Calculate the maximum height it reaches. Tell me fast. Maximum height it reaches. So what is being given to you here is that a ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 49 meter per second. Calculate the height to which it rises. So ball is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 49 meter per second. Okay. Let me write the question. Take the question here. Here's the question. Now tell me. Ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 49 meter per second. Calculate the maximum height to which it rises. So 49 meter per second. So initial speed is 49 meter per second. Okay. Maximum height means S is being asked. Okay. Displacement. When a ball is thrown vertically upward, then what is being given to you? Acceleration due to gravity will be plus 9.8 or minus 9.8. Tell me. I need the instant answer
Minus 10.
because the velocity decreases. So we'll take minus 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. So you need to calculate the displacement. And one more thing we need is a ball is thrown vertically upward. So it's at the highest point, its final velocity will become 0. When a ball is thrown vertically upward, then at the highest point, its final velocity will become 0. So what is that thing that is not either being asked here in this up to here and not being given the question? So that is time. Time is neither being asked nor being given. So out of this three equation of motion, V is equals to U plus AT, S is equals to UT plus half AT square, and the third is V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. In which equation time is not here? The one who answer me instantly, I will consider him that he is taking the interest in the class. Otherwise, I will call your parents. But you are not responding. Still quiet. Everybody unmute your mic. Unmute your mic, please.
Yes, sir.
Let me check whether you are where you are sitting. Yes, Abdul Jabbar, unmute your mic permanently. So tell me this one. That this equation we are going to use
Yes, sir.
because there is no time here not being given. So by using this equation, calculate the value of S. Calculate the value of S.
Sir.
Calculate the value of S fast. So what we are going to have here is V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. So final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 49. So right here 49 square and 2
So
into
I got
A
the
into,
answer.
yes,
So I got the height as 122.5 meter.
122.5 meter.
Point.
Okay, that's it. So most of the student what they are going to do and why I have taken this 49 and acceleration due to gravity as minus 9.8, not as 10. Why I have taken? Because 9.8 and 49 have some relation. 98 and 49, when you cut it, you can cut it easily by 2. So that's why I have taken this one, because 49 and 98 have a relationship of multiplication, okay, of 2. So we can have this one and we need to find out S. So what we are going to do, whatever the value comes here, most of the students, what they are going to do, they start multiplying 49 into 49 and something. No, this is wrong. You are not going to do this one. What you are going to do is this value, whatever this value comes, when you multiply this one, this value will be negative. Okay. So I'm just bringing this to that side, or you can write it 2 into 9.8 into S is equals to 49 into 49. This value, whatever that come, it will be negative sign. So when this value goes to that side, it will become plus. So I don't write minus here. Okay. Now into S, so S will remain here as it is. And this will be 49 into 49 upon 2 into 9.8 into, sorry, 2 into 9.8. 49 into 49 into 2 into 9.8. So this will be eliminated out, decimals. Then 49 ones are 49, 49 twos are. Okay. Now, what you are going to do here is, this is 490 divided by 4. So when you divide it by 4, you will get the answer. 491 divided by 4, you will get 490 divided by 4, you will get 4 ones are 4. Then it will be 9 here. 4 twos are 8, then 1, then 0. 4 twos are 8. Okay, then it will be 2, then 0.5. We'll get 122.5 is the correct answer. Very good. We'll calculate the total time also. Tell me, yes, you calculated this one? Tell
No,
me.
sir, I'm still doing.
So which equation you are going to use in this one for calculating the time? You have to calculate that total time taken it take to return to the surface of the earth. So total time means going journey and ending journey. So calculate the one way, and then another way you can easily calculate it. So how you are calculating that? V is equals to U plus AT. Use this equation. This will be V
Yes, sir.
minus U by A is equals to T. This will goes to that side, then A will comes down. So T is equals to, what is initial velocity? Initial velocity is 45 and final velocity is 0. Upon A is 9.8. 9.8 of minus, okay? So this will be minus 45, 45, 49. No, it is 49, sorry. It is 49. It is 49. This is 49 upon
Sir,
minus
I
9.
got the answer as 10
Yes,
seconds.
yes. So when you get it, you will get 10 here. So when you divide it, you will get 49 ones are 49 twos are, and then you will get 5 seconds. So total one way journey T1 is 5 seconds. So the time taken to reach will be equal to time taken to comes down. So 5 seconds for traveling upside, 5 seconds for traveling downside. So the total time will be total time will be total traveling time will be, tell me first. Tell me.
10 seconds.
5 plus 5 is equals to 10 seconds. Next question. Do this one, please. Done this question? Tell me fast, Avni and other students. Rumaisa, Abdul Jabbar,
No,
Riaz,
sir,
done?
I didn't do it yet.
So are you trying to do it or can't do it?
Sir, I'm trying.
You try it fast.
Done, sir.
Okay. So what's the answer?
So 19.6 meter per second.
A stone is released from the top of the height of this 19.6 meter. Calculates final velocity before it reaching the ground. So height is this one, 19.6 meter. So it is being released from here. So distance from here to here is 19.6 meters. So S is given to you, 19.6 meter. And since the velocity will continuously increase, so acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. And why I'm taking 9.8? Because 9.8 to the 19.6. This you will learn that why I'm taking 9.8 here meter per second square, not the 10 meter per second square. This you will learn by practice. Keep practicing each and every questions. Okay. So S you know, A you know. Now what is being asked? Calculate the final velocity. V you need to calculate, and initial velocity when a stone is released. So initial velocity is 0. What is being asked, not being given? Time. Time is not being asked, not being given. So which equation you have to use this in this one? Avni need to tell me which equation is you are going to use this one in this one. Tell me fast.
Sir, in this one, right?
Yes.
We'll use U is equal. No, V is equal to U plus 80.
Why 80? What I'm saying here. Time is neither given nor being asked to you. Okay. Time is neither being given to you, nor it is being asked. So
Um,
so So in which equation time is not there? V is equals to u plus 80. Time is there, na? Time is not given to not being asked. So how will you write the value of t? So only the third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay. Here it is the calculate the final velocity just before reaching the ground. So it is being asked, final velocity is being asked. When a stone is dropped or anything that is start from rest, it has initial velocity 0. So dropping a stone from a height, or if a body start from rest, we considered u is 0. Okay, when a throne is up sent upward or thrown upward, then its initial velocity is given, but at highest position v will become 0. So these things you need to keep in mind. Okay, got it? So why I'm using this equation? Because time is neither being asked in this equation, in this part, and nor being given. So we'll use third equation. So we'll have v square is equals to u square plus 2as. So final velocity, we need to calculate u is the initial velocity, that is 0 plus 2 into a. What is a? A is 19.6. And what is s? S is 19.6. Okay. No, no. A is 9, not A is not 19.6. A is 9.8 and this is 19.6. Now what the students are going to do? They keep on multiplying this one and this one. You know that v square we need to calculate the under root because v square is given to you now. So multiply these two terms. Why? If you multiply these two terms, you will get 19.6 into 19.6. Don't multiply this one now, for God's sake. If you multiply this one, it will merge your time. Use your brain, keep practicing. That will help you to be better in calculation. Okay, so you write it like this way: under root of 19.6 into 19.6. So one pair of this one will comes out, so v is equals to 19.6 meter per second. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy this one fast, then we shall be going to next question. Wait this one. The next question, please. Do this question, please. Do this 21 and 22 question. Done this one? Done this one? Tell me. Why are not everyone is muted your mic? I'm just burning myself. Why are you not answering everyone? Why you keep doing like this? Tell me, will it sink or float? Yes, you, Riaz, will it sink or float? So what is being given? The mass is given to you, volume is given to you, to density is equals to mass by volume. So mass is 50 and volume is 20. Mass is 50 grams and density unit has, we have two units of density. One is gram per centimeter cube and that is kilograms per meter cube. So if this is in kg, then it should be in meter cube. If this is in grams, then it should be in centimeter. Okay, grams per centimeter cube or kilograms per. So here it is in grams, it is in centimeter cube, so it's okay. You can calculate this one. So it is 2.5. You will get 2.5 grams per centimeter cube, and the what and it is placed in the water. Okay, water. So density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So density of substance is more than the density of water, so it will sink or float. Avni, tell me.
Sir, it will float.
It will sink.
Think so.
It will sink
Okay.
because the density of substance is more than the density of water. Okay, it is 2.5, na? 550 upon 20 is 2.5. Now do the question number 22. Ramaisa, do this one, question number 22. So what you are going to do here in this one is, tell me, Rumaisa, have you done this one?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer?
So the packet will sink
And the other part?
and the mass of the water displaced is 350 gram.
Yes. Here you need to keep in mind that we will be always given the volume of the substance, but not the volume of the liquid displaced. Okay. So if we are writing the density of water, the density of substance will be equals to mass of substance upon volume of the substance. And density of water will be equals to mass of water displaced upon volume of the water displaced. Okay. So you need to keep in mind that most of the time the student, first of all, we need to calculate that whether it is whether it is going to sink or not. So you need to calculate the density of substance. Density of substance is 500 divided by 350. You cut it, you will get more than one. How you can say that is 10 by 7, it will gives you 1 point something. So it is more than one, so it will sink because water has one density and it is more than one. Understood, Avni? Avni?
Sir, understood. My net is slow, so I can't hear your voice properly.
Okay. Now what is being given here is just you need to calculate that how much it is being asked that what will be the mass of the water displaced by this packet. So mass of the water you need to find out. So you have to write here density of water is equals to 1. Mass of the water you have to find out, but you don't know what is the volume of the water because the volume of the water is not given, volume of the substance is given. But when you float something, when something is sink in the water, then then the volume of the water displaced is always equals to volume of the solid. Keep in mind always that volume of solid is always equals to volume of the liquid displaced. Note it somewhere that volume of water displaced is equal to volume of volume of water displaced is equals to volume of uh substance. Okay, substance. So instead of writing volume of water here, write the volume of density, volume of the substance, that is 350, because these both are equal. Now this will goes to that side, this will become mass of water displaced equals to 350 grams. Got it? Got it? I'm writing here density of water, then mass of water, then volume of water. The density of water is 1, I write here 1. Mass of